Alright guys, I got a super simple DIY for you today. So I ordered these projector lights off of Amazon. I think they're about like 20 bucks. I got 4, thinking the car had 4 places for these, but turns out it's only 2 on the front, so oh well, I guess I have extra. But this is like so easy. So basically, the lights are in here like that. You can use a flathead, but I prefer to use a pry tool. I got a pry tool set off of Amazon for like, I think 10 bucks. It just easily pops out like that. And then you just pull this out. So then what you want to do is you want to, oh, that's hot. You want to grab it and then you just pull this out. So if the lights have been in the car for a really long time, it's going to be really hard to pull this out. But just basically grab this black piece and then light, careful not to burn yourself, and just pull. And it might take a few tries because mine were like really hard to get out, and I think there's even bugs in there. It's pretty gross. Yeah, I really want to get these out because the lights are really nice quality. So let me get this out and I'll show you guys how to install the lights. Alright, so when you get the lights in the package, they're going to be like this, with this little wire off to the side. So basically you want to take this white piece and you want to put it in the top. So let me do that really quick. Put it in like that, and then this should stick out like this, and so then all you have to do is plug that part. I have no focus. Okay, that's not focusing. Plug this into this, and make sure you plug it in where it has the most resistance. Otherwise, it'll just fall out. So just make sure it doesn't slide right out the first time you plug it in, and then you just slide the light back in. Alright guys, I slid it back in. So now, as you can see, you just want to make sure it's the right way up, because you don't want your logos to be upside down. And there you go. It seems to be really high quality. I'm going to take some pictures of it tonight and